Hi, my name is Chris Schipper. I'm the library director at San Juan College in Farmington, New Mexico. And the book I've chosen is Voltaire's Candide. And I chose this because, well, Voltaire was my kind of troublemaker, but he caused lots of uproar by raising important questions about the nature of religion, probably more than anything. The passage I've chosen talks about Candide's traveling companion and mentor, Pangloss. So I'll go ahead and start, and I have it on an ebook format. The preceptor Pangloss was the oracle of the family, and little Candide heard his lessons with all the good faith of his age and character. Pangloss was the professor of cosmology. He proved admirably that there is no effect without a cause, and that in this best of all possible worlds, the Baron's castle was the most magnificent of castles, and his lady was the best of all possible baronesses. It is demonstrable, said he, that things cannot be otherwise than as they are, for all beings created for an end, all is necessary for the best end. Observe that the nose has been formed to bear spectacles, thus we have spectacles. Legs are visibly designed for stockings, and we have stockings.